In this tutorial, we're going to use the famous Supertrend indicator to show you how the TradeSgnl Strategy Builder automates any indicator on your chart and executes trades on MT5 instantly, all without writing a single line of code. Before we start, you'll need access to the tool. Head over to the Strategy Builder page in the TradeSgnl portal, enter your TradingView username, and click Get Access. This instantly adds the Strategy Builder to your TradingView account. Find it in TradingView Indicators under Invite-Only Scripts, and add it to your chart. Now, let's add the Supertrend indicator. We'll keep the default settings for now. You'll see the green line for an uptrend and the red line for a downtrend. The secret to automating any indicator is the data window. Open it from the right sidebar to see the exact plot values of your indicator. As you hover over the chart, watch the Supertrend values. When a buy signal appears, the buy plot shows a number. When the trend flips, the values swap. You can then use these plot values to set up your conditions in TradeSgnl. Let's set up our long entry. In the Strategy Builder settings, enable Long Entry 1. For source A, we select the Supertrend buy plot we saw in the data window. We set the operator to greater than. Now enable the Use Custom Value option and set the custom value to 0. Do the exact same for your short entries using the Supertrend sell plot. Set the operator to greater than. Enable Use Custom Value and set it to 0. As soon as you do this, you'll notice the Strategy Builder plots its own entry and exit arrows directly on your candles. This powerful feature lets you visually verify your logic. By default, when a sell signal is triggered, it will automatically close any open buy trade before opening the new short position. This keeps you perfectly synced with the trend. Now, we use the signal generator in the TradeSgnl portal. Just choose your license ID, fill in your symbol, make sure it matches your broker symbol exactly. Add your desired risk and your stop loss or take profit levels. Click Copy and paste that generated syntax into the relevant alert message fields in the Strategy Builder. This is a visual form builder, no syntax memorization required. Finally, click the alert icon in TradingView. Set the condition to the Strategy Builder. In the Message tab, use the Strategy Order Alert Message placeholder. For notifications, enable Webhook URL and make sure it's pointing to TradeSgnl. Click Create, and your indicator is officially automated on MT5. The data window, visual arrows, and signal generator combo makes automating any indicator a breeze. Stop chasing candles and start automating. Head over to TradeSgnl.com to start your trial today, and I'll see you in the next video.